FolkArt Color Shift Glossy Metallic Finish Acrylic Craft Paint Set In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.8 stars based on 586 ratings and 64 reviews. 95% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 3% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Very pretty. I like the consistency of the paint and it looks so pretty against the light." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Not really for acrylic pouring. I bought this set to use in my pouring art. The colors are beautiful and they have named it correctly. The colors do shift, kinda like the back of a bluish-green beetle. Tonight was my third pour using them. I used a hairdryer for 2 of them and a chain pull for the last one. The problem is that they muddy into a dull gray-green really quickly when you move the paint around. I'm sure for painting vases, boxes, or anything where you are not mixing the colors together, they would be fine. I'm not giving up, I'm just not using the lime green and lemon yellow again in my art. That's it.
FolkArt Promo CS8 features 8 bottles of stunning Color Shift paint. This amazing formula creates a brilliant luster with colors that shift in changing light. It's versatile and easy to use, providing superior coverage on your indoor and outdoor projects. Color Shift paint is water-based and AP certified to be non-toxic. Create a gorgeous, iridescent, one-of-a-kind piece today with your very own Promo CS8 kit.